Former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Bhupendra Singh Hooda has advised the government to formulate a special policy for the rural areas of the state, considering the surge in COVID cases in the state. Said Hooda expressed deep over the surge in COVID cases in villages. Said government should prepare a special strategy for village government to arrange testing, tracing, medical camps, and temporary hospitals in the village. COVID cases and death in also village not being recorded by the government. On Sunday, India recorded 4,03,738 fresh cases. This was the fifth straight day of 4 lakhs plus daily infection in the country. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh on Sunday urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to increase the state's oxygen quota and ensure urgent supply of anti-COVID-19 vaccine. Queen Elizabeth's cousin Prince Michael of Kent has been caught offering investors access to the criminal in exchange for personal gain, according to a Sunday Times and Channel 4 investigation. Baria, where the land of Balia district is known as saints and freedom fighters, especially the land of Dwaba, where great saints like Khapadiya Baba, Narhari Baba, Maharaj Baba, Surekha Baba took birth. About 45 kilometers from Balia headquarters at Suremanpur railway station, Baba, the great saint who has been in residence for many years, has come the pride of Devlok. Today, his samadhi will be given at its ashram in Suremanpur in the presence of thousands of his devotees around 10 p.m. tomorrow. A sum of rupees 108 crore has been allocated to provide rupees 1,500 each as one-time relief amid coronavirus-induced restrictions to 7.20 lakhs auto rickshaw drivers in Maharashtra, an official said on Monday. The NCP has sought waiver of the goods and services tax on all oxygen equipment and other drugs being procured to tackle the COVID-19 surge, claiming that such levies were choking the healthcare system. CM Uddhav Thackeray has urged the centre to allow separate apps for states to implement the COVID-19 vaccination drive. Emirates has set up a humanitarian air bridge between Dubai and India to transport urgent medical and relief items to support India in its fight to control the serious COVID-19 situation in the country, airline officials have said. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Sunday said GST exemption to domestic supplies and commercial import of COVID drugs, vaccines and oxygen concentrators would make these items costlier for consumers as manufacturers would not be able to offset the taxes paid on inputs. Bollywood star Anushka Sharma on Sunday posted a heartfelt note for all the healthcare and frontline workers and called them the real heroes.